Welcome to the channel, Silky's Closet. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Fitbit Inspire fitness tracker, and I'm also going to be doing a review of it. I wanted to buy a fitness tracker because I'm on a health tip trip after giving birth and I'm trying to basically track my steps. I can't really use my phone because I don't have it with me and it's not very accurate. I was having a look at all the different types of ones. Fitbit is the most popular. You also have the Apple Watches, but they're very expensive. So I had a look on the Fitbit website and this is the cheapest and smallest one. So this is the lowest end of it. It's called the Fitbit Inspire. It has two colors, black and red. I chose the black. They have a newer one which tracks more things. So let's talk about the Fitbit. First of all, it's a slim watch. It says it's swim proof, so it's waterproof to a certain length or distance or depth. It has sleep tracking, it gives you smartphone notifications, so you need a smartphone with an iPhone or Samsung, something like that. And it has up to 5 days battery life. It's easy to use touchscreen and it automatically tracks your exercise. And it comes with small and large wristbands in the pack. So let's open it up. So this is the Fitbit watch. This is the screen. And the strap. And you put it on like this. So it's a rubber strap. This is extra strap, and this is the charger. So you attach it to the back here to charge and plug it into your USB. So it's saying to start you have to download the Fitbit app onto your phone. I'm going to talk about the Fitbit Inspire and a review. I've had it for a number of months now, and the first thing I think is the best purchase I made in 2019 because I had a baby in the beginning of the year in January and I really wanted to get my health and fitness back after having a baby. I was very fit before, I used to do a lot and that completely went downhill. So this has been a very, very useful tool in that. And I'll talk about the pros and the cons of the Fitbit. First of all, it's really easy to use. It's touchscreen. And you have to have a smartphone to link it with. So all the data will be on the smartphone, on the app. I find that the Fitbit is a motivator. Obviously, they say to walk 10,000 steps a day and you can track it. You can see on here the number of steps you did. So I'm always looking to see how many I did. And if it's below a number, say below 6,000, I'll try to walk more to make it above that. And also on the app, it gives you badges and saying you walked a marathon in a week. So it's pretty motivating as a watch, as an app, and it's pretty interactive with you. It basically, you can set reminders to, if you've been still and idle for a while in the day, it'll give you a little buzz to keep you moving, and it says to do 250 steps an hour, so you can set that up for a number of hours where you do 250 steps an hour and reach these goals per day. So it's very, very good for your health and fitness and improving it. It gives you the calories. So as you can see, it got the steps, calories. I went for a walk today. It showed me how many minutes I did it for, and km, how many hours I slept for. It's obviously very slim and easy and light to wear. It's a rubber strap, so it's waterproof. And when I wear it to bed, I don't really feel it. So it tracks your sleep as well. It's pretty basic though. This is the cheapest one of the Fitbit. I don't know how much better the higher end one will be. I assume it will be better. And I don't know how accurate it is. It tells me I'm sleeping for this number of hours and I have this much restlessness and I wake this much, and I'm not sure how accurate it is because I feel like sometimes I've slept way less or way more, but I think it's a pretty good guide. I check the app every day to see how much I've slept. It's cheap if you don't want to spend a lot, and if you're just buying one of these Fitbit type of smart watches to try it out, and I find it way less complicated than the Apple app. The Apple app that tracks your steps and stuff, I find it pretty complicated. This is really, really ease of use. And I've been checking my phone a lot less because I was always checking my phone for the time. Your phone becomes everything. So having a watch again, I'm on my phone less, which is one of my things that I want to do in 2020. Spend far less time on my phone and doing more things. Cons are that it doesn't last very long with the charging. It's a couple of days. It says about 5 days, but I feel like it's less than that. And the charging wire is very, very small and pathetic. I have to attach it to my laptop and then attach the watch to the wire. This is the wire. It's tiny. And it's magnetic. It's always falling out. The wire is pathetic. I don't know if they have better or longer wires with the more expensive ones, but I really do not like this. It's not 100% accurate. It told me one time I went swimming. I'm not really sure if I was washing dishes or something or whatever I was doing, but it's not 100% accurate. Another con is that the watch seems to freeze. You can't touch it. I have to reset it, but for some reason it just stops working. So that's a bit annoying as well. Apart from the cons, I really think it's one of my best purchases of 2019 for my fitness and health and tracking, and I highly recommend. Obviously, it's the new year, January 2020. They're always promoting fitness in the new year because it's the easiest time to be motivated. And I think this will definitely help with fitness and becoming more fit and your health. So Fitbit are always emailing you. It'll email you to show you how to set up the watch. And it's pretty interactive. They're always promoting, obviously. Okay, this is the app. It's really easy to use. You can set different apps on the app, what you want to see. So it's my 5 hours I've set, which is walking 250 steps per hour. You can set the times you want to do it. My exercise, 1 of 5 a day. I went for a walk today. How much sleep I had. You can click in them and see your sleep, and then your steps, your calories and everything. So the app is really easy to use. They send you badges. I've had a bunch of 5,000 step badges, and I did a penguin march. I did a marathon with my walk. So the app is really, really good and useful. All my steps for the weeks, my badges. So when you open up the app, it syncs with the watch. This is what it looked like on your wrist. And also it's movement sensitive. So when you move it, it's meant to show you the time, but it doesn't always do it. A lot of the time it really doesn't. So you have to press the side button if you want to look at anything. Swipe. Thanks for watching Silky's Closet. All item details will be in the description. Any comments, leave it below. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel.